The work of Food Workforce Wales is incredibly important in ensuring that people are aware of the vast majority of jobs that are available within the sector. So you might just think it's working in a kitchen, or you might just think it's working in a factory, but here in the hub you can see, I think it's just brilliant the way they've done it as a story of a humble potato, and what the number of careers and jobs that you can get just from working around, watching how that potato progresses around its life. It's just really interesting the way they've done it with interactive skills here. So if you just look on the Works job board, you'll see significant number of different jobs, and also the pay. So again, people think it's a very poorly paid sector. It really isn't. There are jobs within the sector that pay significant amounts of money. Some you need skills to start with, some you don't. You can train on the job, which I think is another really important message to give, particularly to our young people, to ensure that we have about 250,000 people who work in the entire sector here in Wales, and we need to keep maintaining that number and also increasing that number.